grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Guys, guess where we are now? We are going to walk 25 minutes
They are
up.
going to walk. They are going to carry me. So this is
No, we're not
crazy,
carrying
guys.
her. We're walking up a hill, 25 minutes for a beautiful view. And we have to walk because the next bus comes in 1.5 hours. So
Oh my God, yeah.
1.5 hours or walk 40 minutes? Which one? Well,
Yeah.
25 minutes. So guys, look where we are now. This is the semi-view that we have. And then when you look up the hill, this is the hill that we have to go up. And this is all for a nice view.
You know how we are
the
one
sky.
rooms and yeah, they don't see them anymore.
Mommy says these flowers are very rare. Mommy coming out of the frame. Oh God, this road looks so lonely, guys. Mommy. Guys, this road looks lonely. Guys, this is the middle view. Look at the sky, interesting. We're going up this small little road.
I'm hot, guys.
We have no water. You think we're gonna die of thirst?
Yes, my girls are so smart. They didn't carry any water. They want to kill me.
But I like the look of nature aspect of this. Now do out.
Oh, big.
Yeah, because the other one over this one
The other side from the Rhein.
It's the other side of the river. Yes, guys, but you can't see it so good yet. Soon we'll have a
Rhein is
better
one of the
view.
longest and largest river in Germany.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, peace.
So are you tired yet? Oh, I'm definitely tired already. Whee. The sky just look interesting, like you want rain, but you don't want rain. And here look a mess
I
today.
don't have no umbrella.
Oh shit, right as we said, to the hear the thunder. At least we're not going dead for turn. Wherever so.
Yeah, so yeah.
But it's back there is that.
Thunder! A thunder this!
Oh, just as we said. And
In
when
case I don't reach it to work tomorrow. I mean,
this is the last of us, guys.
yeah.
Survival story. Oh, now you can see a little bit of the river. Nah, can't really see no friends. Whee! I hope a man can not say up, that's how we're gonna move.
Das ist aber nicht hoch.
Imagine not the view this here. Probably will come on. This is where we're coming from. And this is where we're going. Wait. But mommy, this reminds me of Elsens when we go Elsens. Yeah, truck. Mommy, just don't think about it, okay? We have no water, stop thinking about it. But this reminds me when we went to Elsen. Exactly here, something, and they have something similar like
I
this.
should only have small handbag. Ja, ich wollte Elvina mitbringen.
Was solltest du?
Ja, Vino, aber da tut man nicht durchstellen, ne?
So, we go up here, so now?
Wie geht da runter? Ist viel besser.
Nicht
Ja,
höher.
laufen.
Guys, we come at a crossroad. So, or so.
Also auf nur 28 Minuten.
28 minutes, guys. The same I tell you makes sense. Yes, ma'am, yes. So I'm the one in the super. So yeah, Jesus Christ. So yeah, Jesus Christ, guys, look at me and a dress. I'm so not equipped for this.
It's not 2,1 Kilometer.
Oh, just 2,1. Guys, here's a letter.
Was ist der Niederwald?
And this picture looks really nice. I guess this is where we are now.
Wie viele Kilometer?
So say up here, so we are going. I think this is where we're going. Oh, Mama, hier schaffen wir mit links. We can.
200 Kilometer laufen. Warte, das ist Muttertag. Ich mag der Arbeit.
So guys, we've been talking about doing this pilgrimage journey, right? So this is the ultimate test if you will survive. Walking from France to Spain. We can't even survive half an hour, you can't survive so many days.
Ja, wenn you carry on my luggage. Und ich trampe, I catch a ride.
No, that's not the point of this pilgrimage, yeah?
Ah.
Is it even a pilgrimage in English? I'm not sure. Whee. I'm tired. But the view is getting clearer and clearer.
Look at that cloud here. Rain is coming down.
But the jacket that cover everything. Guys, can you see the rainbow? Wow. That's pretty. Guys, it's actually drizzling right now. Wow, it's beautiful. Let me see if we can zoom in for now. Doch, ich kann schon ein bisschen sehen. I can see it. Guys, can you see that? It's a rainbow. For a little second. Look, it got level. And now we have to go back up this hill. Wait. Guys, let me see, we're not in the right shoes. Oh, this looks really cool. This looks really nice. Oh wow, we're really in the middle of nowhere.
Auch Aussichtspunkt. Ja.
Mami, kannst du mal Englisch reden?
1,7 Kilometer jetzt.
1.7 kilometers.
But it doesn't get any less. 1,7 Kilometer. Oh mein Gott.
Guys,
Das war lange it was 2.1.
we saw the drizzling again. And them said 21 degrees today and we were so happy. But at least me not feel cold in the milk dress. Yeah, let's hope the rain don't get worse. Because that gonna be funny if you come down back the hill.
Oh yeah.
Pitch wet. Wee. But when you hear the birds now. Guys, look, next crossroad.
Oh God.
It's really starting to rain a bit heavier now. And the rainbow is still there. I'm so tired.
Da ist hier ein Regenbogen.
Sarah was like, oh, just 17 minutes. I'm like, just 17 minutes. We already showed the rainbow.
1.5 kilometers.
1.5 kilometers. Oh gosh. So guys, Mommy read this book, right? About this pilgrimage. This guy who did the pilgrimage. And in his book, she was telling me that the guy also was walking uphill while it was raining. And then while it was time to look at the view and he finally made it to the top, there was so much rain and so much fog that he didn't even get to see the view. And I feel like this is gonna happen to us today too. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. My hair is not cooperating today, just don't pay me no mind. Mommy's struggling. Mommy said next Wednesday she's gonna be home. But last Wednesday we were home. Guys, this whole walking wasn't a part of the plan. Like we said before.
Oh God, I feel me. I'm dying.
So guys, we made it to one of the viewpoints.
Ja, geil.
But just like the book predicted, look, you can't see the view over there. It's really raining. And we're in this. Mommy, how are you doing? Oh guys, we just came up a few stairs. We just out of breath. But imagine we come up here at the right time, you know?
It's right time.
Look!
Oh Gott.
God's timing.
Ja, wie kommen wir hier wieder weg?
So we're gonna learn things from the pilgrimage, you know. How God will protect you and right on time how the fire truck come.
Ja.
You see? We have to learn.
Ihr könnt das Wasser abwarten.
Maybe that come. Oh no, it's so sad.
Ist jetzt die Aussichtsstelle da?
Yeah, before. That's still. Guys, now we're stuck. But what are the chances that we reach up here right when the rain starts falling?
Ja, es gibt noch ein runde Ding. Also die Aussicht ist eigentlich. Aber es gibt noch ein Statue, was ich gerade gezeigt habe. Das ist noch 3 Minuten.
Guys, what are the chances that we make it up under the shelter right before it starts raining so crazy? What are the
Der kommt
chances?
sowieso 19:30 Uhr, also müssen wir hier schon.
We have to wait here till how many minutes?
19:30 Uhr.
How many minutes?
You should check on us Sunday.
35 minutes we have to wait. Hopefully the rain go down. Guys, enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. Whew. Can't do a thing on the can't see the island in the river? No. But when you tell me about this book, it's like it happened in real life. You know the book that's how a fire truck will come. If that really happened now, then we know. Guys, the rain got even more heavier. Sarah got herself very comfortable. Oh, we take a stuck here for the people there. Yeah, that looks so hot. Guys. So guys, look how wet I am. Mommy, say hello.
Oh, I can't say nothing about me dead people.
Guys, we ran through the rain because Sarah said it's going to be raining until 8.
Yeah, look how me look, man. When I look not them pretty anymore. Jesus.
So it never made no sense.
You walk through rain. We are hoping there's a bus coming.
Yeah.
Probably it won't come because
Come through with Sarah's jacket. But we never have no
and I'm
jacket.
still thirsty.
Alright, So guys, this is supposed to be something special too, but we don't really feel like sightseeing anymore after this day kind of get a little bit ruined. But this is some kind of a statue. And this is the view that you can hardly see anymore. My people, look at them. How do you feel this Mother's Day, mommy? It's gonna be an unforgettable one, huh? Eh?
Material stuff fall now a little bit.
Yeah. You know which direction we got the bus stop now?
I'm sure.
That's not just too much.
You can't look too bad.
The business for some share with tour guide, guys, you know? All the responsibility in fear, and so far your tour sucks. You make it real. Remember Jamaica when we used to get all of the should, all of the blame for the rain. So you get all of the blame for the rain now too. And also the tourists used to complain to Jamaica, it's raining. How can Jamaica rain? Oh God, it get heavy again, you hear it? It get fast, I hear it. Okay guys, see you in the next clip if you survive this, okay?
What is this? Something there, medal?
No medal for we. We suck. Oh God, okay, peace, next clip. Guys, it's still drizzling but not so much. Look at the view. So this is the extreme top, right? Sarah? And this is the statue from the front. Poor camera get a lot of rain. Yeah guys. Hopefully the camera won't die after this, but that's the view. You'll see. Guys, look at that rainbow. It is so bright. Like I've never seen a rainbow this bright, guys.
Oh, at least a long time.
No, me never. Me always see them from afar, but never so close. It seems like it's there right behind that tree there. And it's so bright in real. Wow. I can't believe it. So guys, guess what just happened to us?
Disaster as usual.
Mommy look like one
I
wet
didn't
puppy.
even tell you about our camping trip, but it's coming soon. So this time we are soaking wet almost. We are cold. We try to call a taxi also, but it takes 30 minutes until we eventually reach here. The bus never come.
Oh yeah, wait, slow down. So we first said we're gonna take a bus, but then somehow turns out that you have to call the bus and schedule the bus and all these things, and the next one would only come at 9 and it's like 7 now, so we said no. And then we try to call taxi, and taxi them say 30 minutes minimum, and we said well by that time we could have maybe walk and I go be so cool.
And maybe when we walk we are not freezing.
Yeah, because it's really cold.
It's really cold.
And we're not equipped for this, guys. Right. Me in a dress and freaking shoes, and my foot them look like some pear dot. Yeah. But at least a nice rainbow. At least that's going on first. Oh, these are the steps we never filmed earlier. Flash. Oh, this rainbow is something else. It's cold, it's cold, but at least in our rain, yo, things could be a lot worse sometimes. Thank God to the rain stop. Thank God to Sarah fear never right. Sarah did have said the rain they go fall till it gets. But thank God, at least that's not right either. Because I don't know what I do if you would have the rain up on the way down. And so we just decided to walk back down. Because that would be much warmer. Much warmer. No, hurry up!
I don't know why every time we come to that place, it's always a disaster. Oh, this place. You know why did I say that? We should have just stay home.
That's why I didn't say I want to sleep till 5. Mommy originally just wanted to sleep the whole day, you know. And look how we drag her out of the place. Oh God. Hush, mommy, you're gonna forgive me.
4 o'clock in the morning, people.
Hush. Hush. adventurous, yeah. Oh God, I feel like I'm stepping on something.
Let can walk here.
So guys, seriously, if the film was struggling, walking in the rain down.
Without a jacket,
Yes.
open shoes.
Open shoes.
Yeah.
I don't know if you tell me if
No,
you're walking
and it's
Yeah,
supposed to be 21 degrees.
Yeah.
I don't know
And it
where.
didn't show any signs of rain.
I mean, the views are some, but I'm wet like a...
Tell them how
like
you're
a
dead
wet
for thirst.
What?
Tell them how you're dead for thirst.
Oh,
Thirst, we didn't mention the thirst.
So thirsty, my arm and lips, them are ton. Yeah, look.
But I can't drink the rain.
They don't... Just now work out.
Nah, that don't work.
My mouth not big enough.
But you like the rainbow. Look a bit. How long we need now?
Yeah, so in dem tempo.
Mommy, at least I have to wash your hair later.
No, most definitely not. Said no shampoo.
Mommy,
Only shampoo missing, people. I can wash my hair.
But mommy, I wouldn't classify this as the worst Mother's Day ever, right? Or is it?
Next time I make the plans.
Mommy, please.
Like I didn't know when I did tell you also we can stay home. Like I didn't know.
Mommy, this wasn't the part of the plan. All of this wasn't a part of the plan.
Did you really plan this?
Yes, it was.
With the rain and everything.
No.
And no bus coming, any taxi take half hour for each, which I mean I don't blame him.
We never expect all of this. All of this was not a part of the plan, mommy.
Oh my god.
But it's an adventure. It's 20 more minutes down the hill in the rain. It's no problem,
Yeah,
guys.
this is have nice curly hair.
You think so? You make it smaller and smaller. You have a lot of volume before you can speak.
Obviously rainwater good to the head.
Any more updates?
I'm cool.
Cool, guys, yeah.
Cold,
Freezing.
thirsty, tired.
My ankle hurt
I'm
me. Look at
tripping
it.
anywhere here.
This is not fun,
And there's
guys.
some raindrops keep falling on my head. Dum dum. Raindrops keep falling on my head.
That's what I think they're not real.
Oh ja, und der tanzt dann so die Regenpfützen, he's dancing through the rain.
Oh, keep on slime. Oh gosh, it's really cold, guys. Look at the view, people.
Sarah, ja. Ich kann nicht mehr, ich bin eisig, ich kann nicht Eis zapfen.
Okay.
I have ice
Freezing.
cubes.
Okay, guys. Oh, show your hands.
Ice cubes.
No, turn
Yeah.
around.
Yeah.
They shrivel up? Yes. Oh, turn around. Poor man, shrivel up. Alright.
I wear sunglasses.
Oh,
eh?
yeah, sunglasses.
Yeah.
But there's no sun. We try so hard to be so What should I do after the last trip? Say, go trust Germany. I know more now. Guys, I was smart. I wore a jacket. Yeah, good for you. I was like, no, 21 degrees, not really.
Ja, das war wie, just like we see with the Decke-Ting there, ne? The blanket.
Oh, God.
We don't need anything. We don't need a jacket.
Just like last time. Yeah, we don't need a freaking sheet to cover with.
But it was sunshine when we left Frankfurt, right? And it was sunshine when we got here.
And we look at the weather forecast again.
And I guess this guy was so happy to see us also. It's just a blessing. Like Jamaica, they would say it's a blessing. Right, guys?
Yep.
Yeah.
Because you didn't
Have
complain.
enough blessing now.
You didn't complain the whole time, say you're thirsty. So God said, okay, I'll give her
Yeah,
some.
but it's not raining in my mouth, yeah.
Oh, it's so cold.
Ja, min også er run på.
Mine too.
I'm cold.
I just really feel like Jamaica when it's rain and you have to go somewhere in the
Family
rain.
should not carry me along.
Oceans and dirty.
Yeah.
Make sure so we are going in the right direction. I'm hoping I'm going to pay me for all of them may work here.
Those guys, you're not gonna forget this Mother's Day, right?
So we are going to
Well, we
try
gonna plan the next Mother's Day warm, comfortable, Limousine,
So now we're switching from the dirt road to the asphalt.
Yeah, guys, we are back into civilization. We did made it.
Yeah, guys,
I'm
trembling.
dead.
We just
I'm
get
dead.
Capri Sun.
Yes, and
Mom
yeah,
get cola.
yeah.
Sarah get water, the smart one.
Hydrated again. My feet are killing me.
We made it.
Still look like a wet puss.
They're probably handmade.
Yeah, but because it's Käthe Wohlfahrt, die ist berühmt.
Really? But 230 euro, I pay so much money for
but
that.
it's some expensive.
I bought a little tree,
She famous for her
160.
dolls and so.
Yeah, these and your shirt on there. Yeah. But I wonder who buy these things. Are the grandmas them or who buy them? Or tourists. Yeah, like souvenir. So guys, we made it back down to the river. I know we're gonna check when the next train is coming. It's like 1 hour away, so hopefully it comes soon and we don't have to wait a whole hour for the hour drive.
It's not, yeah.
Sarah's checking first. So my phone is dead, Sarah's phone is dead.
Only my phone is not dead yet, but I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah, really tired.
I'm cold, really cold.
Yes, guys, I don't know, I guess that was it for today. Alright, guys, this was it for today. This was my Mother's Day. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Yeah, thank you all for watching so much. We appreciate it. We're gonna go home and have some Mother's Day dinner. Some nice rice and peas and some baked chicken.
Relax food thing, and
we're
I
gonna
gotta
make
try
an
my new
espresso.
cappuccino espresso machine, definitely. So you can work on that one.
Yeah, we were thinking about filming, but we're so
Yeah, and
tired.
then I have to get up 4 o'clock in the morning. So guys, take care
Yeah, I have school
and
to
see you
go.
next time.
Yeah, guys, take care.
Peace.
Peace.